Ever wondered what are the essentials for a successful hiking and camping trip? Whether it's your first time venturing into the wild or you're a seasoned outdoor enthusiast, preparedness is key. Picture this, you're miles from civilization, and you've forgotten your compass or worse, your water filter. Common challenges like these can quickly turn an exciting adventure into a daunting survival situation. So what can we do to ensure we're all set for our next outdoor adventure? Now let's dive into the essentials that can make or break your hiking and camping experience. First up, we have shelter. You're stepping into the wild, and you need reliable protection from the elements. Whether it's a high-tech tent, a hammock with a rainfly, or a simple tarp setup, your shelter is your home away from home. It's the cocoon that keeps you dry when it pours, provides shade when the sun blazes, and shields you from those gusty winds. Next, we talk about food and water. The mantra here is simple: stay hydrated, stay energized. You'll need a water purification system to ensure you're drinking safe, clean water. As for food, consider easy-to-cook meals and high-energy snacks. A compact stove can be a game changer. And don't forget that handy spork. Let's move on to clothing. Dressing for success in the great outdoors means layers, layers, layers. Think moisture-wicking base layers, insulating mid-layers, and waterproof outer layers. And remember, your footwear is just as important. Sturdy, comfortable hiking boots can make all the difference on those rocky trails. Navigation is our next category. Even in this age of GPS and smartphones, it's crucial to have a traditional map and compass in your pack. Why? Because batteries die, but your sense of direction doesn't have to. Plus, understanding topographic maps and compass bearings can enhance your connection with the landscape. Last but definitely not least, safety. This includes a first aid kit for those unexpected scrapes and bruises, a headlamp for those after-dark moments, and a whistle for emergencies. A multi-tool or a good old-fashioned Swiss Army knife can also come in handy in a multitude of situations. Remember, these essentials are just a starting point, and the specific items you choose may vary depending on your personal needs and the nature of your trip. So gear up wisely, and you'll be ready to take on the great outdoors with confidence and gusto. Understanding why each item is on the essentials list can help you make informed decisions when preparing for your trip. Let's break it down, shall we? First, navigation tools like maps and compasses are crucial. They guide you through unfamiliar terrain, ensuring you stay on track and reach your destination safely. Next, we have protection gear like tents and appropriate clothing. These provide shelter and protection against harsh weather conditions, keeping you comfortable throughout your adventure. Then, we consider food and water. These are your body's fuel, providing the energy you need to keep going. And don't forget about first aid supplies. Accidents can happen, and having a first aid kit on hand can make a significant difference. Light sources like flashlights or headlamps are essential when night falls, and communication devices can be lifesavers in emergencies. Finally, remember your multi-tools and repair kits. These are your problem solvers, helping you fix unexpected issues that might arise. Being well prepared not only increases your chances of a successful trip, but also allows you to handle unexpected situations with confidence. So, to ensure a successful and enjoyable hiking and camping trip, remember the importance of being well prepared. Let's revisit the essentials. Each item, from your trusty compass to your sturdy tent, has a crucial role in your journey. But don't forget, this list is not set in stone. Feel free to tailor it to your specific needs and the nature of your trip. After all, preparedness is personal. With the right preparation, every outdoor adventure can be a rewarding experience. Happy camping!